So first of all, I'd like to welcome you to this video. It's a video I'm making for you specifically if you live in India, or if you live in the Philippines, or if you live anywhere else in the world and you're considering to move to Israel. Now, people want to move to Israel for obvious reasons. They want to move because they want a better way of life for their family. They want a better future. They want more opportunity. And you may want to move here for just a short bit of time or for the rest of your life. But I want you to know something, that it is not easy to move to Israel and to get a job. So this video is specifically for those of you who want to move to Israel and to become a caregiver. Somebody who takes care of the elderly people in Israel. And this is very, very popular. I've seen many Indians in Israel who are working as caregivers. Many Filipinos as well. So it is extremely possible. And I want to make this video to take you through the process of how you're going to be able to do this. This is the second video I've made, so you may consider to go back to the first video in case you fear that I didn't cover something well in this video, but let's get into it. So the first thing that I want you to understand is the type of visa that you have to acquire in order to move to Israel. The type of visa you're looking for if you want to be a caregiver is a B1 visa. Before we get into it too much, I want you to feel free to subscribe down below. If you have any questions after the video, leave them in the comment section. But other than that, let's get into it. So what's the exact process that you have to follow in order to move to in order to move to Israel from India? In order to move to Israel from the Philippines and to obtain a caregiver visa? Well, the first thing that you have to know is that you have to have somebody in Israel asking for you to come to Israel. You need to obtain a work permit before you even arrive here. And the process that happens in is typically an elderly Israeli person or that person's family will reach out to an agency here in Israel. And the agencies here in Israel that they have to reach out to, I'm going to make a video about that, but of course you can research it online. And there's several agencies that deal specifically with obtaining caregiver visas for people in different countries. Somebody who's a foreign worker who wants to come into Israel and to help take care of their family or they themselves. And once they do get a visa, and before that even, I want you to clearly understand that this visa that you're going to get will not let you work any job in Israel. It will give you a permission to be in Israel and to work with a specific human being, a specific elderly person. Remember, that person who invited you over, you must work for that person, that Israeli patient, for example. Let's move on. What else do you need to know? Well, aside from working with a specific Israeli citizen, a specific Israeli elderly person, you will need to renew your B1 visa that you obtained prior to moving to Israel. You'll have the visa when you arrive. Now, you'll need to renew that visa every year. And every year you'll have to go over to Misrad Hapnim. This is actually the name for the Ministry of the Interior. This is where you will go with your patient, with the person you're taking care of, who needs to come with you into Misrad Hapnim offices on a yearly basis to renew your B1 visa. The first thing that I want you to do if you want to move to Israel and get a caregiver visa is to reach out onto the internet. Yes, the same way you found this video. Go to Google, type in your bar up there, manpower or labor companies or job agencies that help people in your country obtain the B1 visa. So type that into your Google search browser and start to research. This is the first thing that you have to do. Other than that, stay tuned. There's a lot more videos just like this that I'm going to be making for you. I'm doing more research. I'm trying to learn. Yes, of course, I live in Israel. Yes, I want to help you to be able to move to Israel, but I don't have a magic finger. I don't have a magic touch. I'm not a magician. So I want to just give you the information that will help you proceed down the line. Subscribe for more videos. Hit thumbs up if you found any video in my channel. Keep looking around. There's other videos like this and more are coming. Other than that, you take care. This is Claude Massey, and have a great afternoon.